Hi, I'm Hamane Edwards, a former intern and currently the program director for C-STEM. The activities on C-STEM Break are designed with items that can be found at home. For example, one of my favorite activities is burping bubbles. All the materials on my table I found in my kitchen and medicine cabinets. There is so much to learn about density, from combining Alka-Seltzer, vegetable oil, food coloring, and water. Access your C-STEM Break activities today. Share resources with us and donate via cstem.org.